Oneida Air Systems.
Free yourself from the constraint of space in your shop for your dust collection setup. The USA-made Dust Deputy Low Pro Plus kit from Oneida Air Systems gives you added space and easier placement in your dust collection setup. It is here, and it is real. It's not in your mind. The Dust Deputy Low Pro makes a great improvement in your dust collection by reducing the cleanup time on your vacuum and filter. You have a choice to make. Continue living under the illusion of costly and frustrating filter replacements, or believe and get your Dust Deputy Low Pro Plus kit at Lowe's stores today to stop clogged filters. The decision is yours.
Oneida Air Systems, USA-made Dust Deputy Low Pro Plus lid separator kit. Get it now at Lowe's stores and on Amazon. And stop clogged filters.